Algorand's MR10 sort of shows a descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. As far as Algo support floor, it truly is currently $29, which really is genuinely huge. Algo fall 597% in 7 days, which especially is genuinely huge. Algorand for the most part is as of now esteemed at $25.24 walk 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly, all things considered, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what fundamentally is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Algorand, generally is Algo an essentially wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth in a huge manner. Yet, prior to jumping profound into the Algo specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $499,063,833,658, which sort of is genuinely critical. The especially complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $68,721,671.4, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a, for the most part, significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65,694.50 level after a vertical development of 63%, so Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in every way that really matters in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of some 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time span, or so they sort of thought. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, sort of is somewhere near Zone 37, and right now exchanging at $177.01 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market by and large is going in every practical sense, descending bearing for a especially present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. Right now, and in every way that really matters, genuinely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they explicitly thought. Support, for the most part, is a level at which purchases truly become kind of more beautiful, dynamic, and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in a by and large huge manner. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants really become move certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how Algorand backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they generally thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The really current Algorand value sort of is $25, with an exchanging volume of $58,354.32 as in every practical sense, recent hours. So similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors most certainly become move sort of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Algorand backing and opposition, all things considered, are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Right now, Algo by and large is up by 133% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $255.89,894 which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand value examination, Algo cost examination for 24 walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time span basically made sense of beneath. Further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value reduction of 46%. percent coming to $3,412 during the past 24 hours in a, for the most part, significant manner. We utilize relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving commonly normal SMA and outstanding moving extremely normal MA to examine the future development of the Algorand in a fundamentally enormous manner essentially. The coin truly is going down as it fundamentally break under two critical help levels of $29 and $27. So as of now, a by and large broad, especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally enormous manner. The market essentially isn't reasonable for bulls, and generally bears could truly take Algo towards the genuinely next help at $25, showing how the market fundamentally isn't appropriate for bulls and really bears could in a real sense take Algo towards the exceptionally next help at $25 in an unpretentious manner. While Algo's Williams %R market truly is at $42.99 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange exceptionally signal sort of is truly conceivable at this reach, showing how yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, fundamentally let us truly discuss the by and large current economic situations, which especially is very huge. The Algo's moving certainly normal combination and disparity MACD marker in a real sense is showing a fundamentally present moment all things considered. Sell truly signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath kind of sign line which fundamentally implies explicitly bears by and large. A ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how the coin for the most part is going down as it basically break under two urgent help levels of $29 and $27. So as of now, a really broad sort of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they explicitly thought. The really relative strength file RSI shows that the Algo coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI fundamentally is at 31, exhibiting that the genuinely relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Algo coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI in a real sense is at 31 in an extremely large manner. EN's Algo cost for the most part is moving in sideways heading, kind of additional appearance how EN's Algo cost explicitly is moving in sideways bearing, which truly is very huge. The fight between the bulls and the most certainly bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other heading, sort of additional appearance how while Algo's Williams %R pointer by and large is at $42.99 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign in a real sense is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Algo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us, in a real sense, to discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a